Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to go over how I feed my parrots on a daily basis. Your parrot's diet is so important when it comes to helping them live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives. What you choose to feed every single day plays a huge role in their overall health, behavior, feather quality, and even their lifespan. If you have been looking for ideas, inspiration, or ways to improve your own bird's diet, this video is for you. Let's get started. Not every day I use exact same ingredients, but today I use broccoli, bell peppers, baked sweet potatoes, and apples. I also mixed in a cookable bird food in the appleberry flavor. I have this really nice chopper that I bought off of Amazon that helps me every day chop all their food up. I find if you chop everything up very finely, it helps encourage them to not pick apart their food. The only downside to having this small chopper is that you have to cut everything so that it can fit inside. I do add in fruit, but only a small amount because we want to make sure their sugar intake is not very high. Just adding the finishing touches and we are all set. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.